Hello students, I'm Mittal, and in this video, I'm discussing a multiple choice question on goodwill recognition with reference to Accounting Standard Codification topic 350. Which of the following should be recognized? Now, what is goodwill? It represents future economic benefits. And future economic benefits resulting from acquisition of assets in a business combination. So future economic benefits that result from acquisition of assets in a business combination is goodwill. So you recognize goodwill only in a business combination. Now let's look at the choices that you have. Equity method goodwill. Do you recognize that? Answer is no, you do not recognize equity method goodwill. Goodwill acquired in a business combination. Yes, you recognize that. You recognize goodwill only in a business combination. This is your answer. Goodwill acquired along with other assets? No, unless it is in a business combination. It has to be in a business combination. So goodwill acquired along with other assets in a business combination, yes, you can say, but goodwill acquired along with other assets, that is not a business combination, you do not recognize that. So you really cannot check this as correct answer because goodwill acquired along with other assets, that is not a business combination, is not recognized. Internally generated goodwill? No, you still do not recognize that. So cost that you incur to internally develop goodwill or costs you incur to maintain goodwill or restore goodwill is expensed. So all the costs that you incur to internally develop, maintain, or restore goodwill should be expensed. So, so you recognize goodwill only in a business combination. You do not recognize goodwill if it is internally generated or acquired other than in a business combination. All right, students, I hope this was helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye.